Right now we are running a sale. If you use code HUNT25, you can get discounts on the whole entire store right now. So if you're trying to snag anything, use code HUNT25 and get whatever you want with 25% off. I appreciate all the love and support lately through all this virus stuff. It's awesome that you guys are still supporting Hunt & Company, and we're doing everything we can to get our orders out every single day. We're going on a road trip. Road trip. Hey, did you forget your shirt? Wow. Oh, he's wearing it. He's wearing it. Big Bertha, how are you today? The Mark V Supra has been gone for far too long, and we have some great news today because our wing is finally done. How dare you steal a man's crack like that?
I'm not letting you do it. The boys on video are not getting an FTB today.
No, here it is.
Oh!
You
didn't say bye to me.
Bye bye, I love you.
Clip that!
Dang! Clip down.
Done. Keep that in there.
When's the marriage? Can I be part of the wedding?
Love my baby.
Oscar told us to be here at 2 o'clock and we're here at 1:30, so we're here way earlier than what he said to be. So we're probably gonna catch him a little bit off guard. So let's hope everything is ready right now. It's Corona time. Bum 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 bum. I just found the 2 wing stands. They just finished drying, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. I gotta find Oscar though to make sure everything is all good. And I haven't even shown you guys the bridge yet because we added stuff to that as well. There's a whole bunch of updates with this wing that I'm very, very excited to show you guys. At any moment we'll start putting it on, but I gotta find Oscar. It's one of the things that we added you didn't really see at SEMA. We added this big bump right here and added a little bit more of a kick on the end of the spoiler. That was one of the things that we wanted to get a little bit more, so when you're kind of more behind it, it kind of sits and flares up a little bit more. That looks so good. So we're gonna leave it like this, the way it is. We have our cover plates right here, but we didn't put those on yet because we want to try and get those made in carbon as a little extra, so it's gonna go back into little molds, but ooh, that looks so good. The view that all of you have been begging to see since we made it orange. The wing really makes this car what it is. And it's funny, the amount of wing orders we've done as just wing orders, not wide body orders, is staggering. I'm really excited for all these to finally start getting out to everyone. It took us a really long time to figure out the perfect mold for these wing stands. They were actually really challenging for us. We went back and forth so many times on recreating that deck lid. It took a long time to do it, but I'm happy that we took our time and didn't push anything out that we weren't happy with. I didn't like crank it down because we're gonna be tearing it apart soon, but it's solid. Yeah, she's not, I don't think she's going anywhere. We'll find. I just told the boys, I'm like, if you see it start to shake, let me know so it doesn't go flying off. All right, guys, I'll see you soon, okay? Oh man, the C8 may be the faster car, but I have missed this car more than any other car. Woo, feels good to be back in this car. We got the big wing on the back. Kevin's gonna get some rollers, dog. Oh my God, I just realized Kevin has his big camera and we're definitely gonna get rollers on the way home. That just made me really happy. I need to call him, tell him that. Gotta appreciate that jumbo hustle leaning out of the car on the freeway. And that truck is really not a good car to do rollers on because he's so high up compared to us. Normally, like when you're in a lower car, you can get a better head on, but Kevin can work some serious magic, so I cannot wait to see these photos he gets right now. Some of these might end up even being poster shots that we'll sell on Hunting Company. It's just finding the perfect space. Getting some rollers of the truck though. That thing looks mean, boys. I always say this, but damn, it feels good to be back in that car. Oh my God. Garbage. No, I'm just kidding. But garbage, not garbage. Damn. Woo! So I posted a photo on Instagram, and I guess I should address it if I haven't already. We have cover plates right here for the wing, but I don't have them on right now just because the car just got out of paint. But there are plates that go right here that cover all of this stuff, and you can get it in just a plain option, and we're also going to offer it in a carbon option, and it has a little Street Hunter logo right here. Very, very cool. Attention to detail. Dang. That looks so good. All right, so we just got some of our shipment in for Hunting Company that we were going to be releasing in the next couple weeks. We have so much stuff at the moment, but I actually kind of want to ask you guys for your opinion, your advice. So if you made it this far in the video, I'm asking you guys for a little help to give me some feedback in the comments section down below. I value that your guys' opinion, and I want to be really transparent about this. So we originally had a drop for Hunting Company planned to go live last week, but because of all the virus stuff going around, we actually decided to hold off a little bit, and we didn't know as a brand if it would look inconsiderate or would just kind of look insensitive if we were pushing out new products and releasing new stuff while some people right now are laid off of work, or they're not allowed to go to their work, or anything of that sort. We have a whole bunch of product right now, as you guys can see. Should we release all these new products, or should we release a drop, or should we wait off until the stuff kind of dies down, or what are your guys' thoughts on that? Because we kind of don't know what to do. We don't want to be insensitive to anything that's going on right now, and we want to stay safe and follow all the guidelines that everyone is saying. But the biggest thing is you guys being our customers and consumers. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Should we hold off? Are you guys like, screw it, release the stuff now? We're still interested in the products regardless of what's going on. Kind of just want to see where your guys' head's at, because we don't really know what to do. We have a lot of really cool stuff coming out as well that I'm really, really excited about. Dress shirts coming out. We have our new flannels coming out because there was so much response on the other flannels we did. We have this tie-dye shirt that we're wearing. We have 2 new designs that's like a remake from our old gas can logo that we did. We have, like, we are so ahead right now, and there's so much new stuff that we're really excited about, but we don't know what to do. So let us know. Comment down below. And this hat I'm really excited about too. Oh, a rubber print on the hat. So dope. We've never done the style hat either. I'm really excited to release.
So much stuff.
So much stuff.
Not enough room.
And all of our tour stuff, but tour just got rescheduled. So we have like we have like 20 boxes of all of our tour stuff that is gonna be shelved. And we're like running out of space in here. I never thought we'd run out of space in here, but we're literally running out of space in here. And let me show you guys the reason why we do product testing and development before just releasing stuff. The new exhaust we have on the C8 from Magnaflow, we did the full track day and we pushed the car 10 out of 10 for about 4 or 5 hours, and we got the exhaust so hot that we actually, and this silver coating in here is just dust. That's not like it peeling, so I'm not talking about that. That's just like sand that's stuck on the inside. The carbon fiber here got baked. So we noticed that on the Mark V, we've gotten these super, super hot, and on their own, they don't turn colors, they don't peel apart. But if you stack 2 of the carbon fiber tips next to each other, you'll end up charring them. So they're gonna see if they can try and get a stronger coating on this, but if not, we're gonna have to change the carbon fiber tip exhaust, which kind of sucks. I told them that like maybe you should still offer it with this, the option of knowing that this can happen if you track the car, but they don't really stand by that, and for that I totally get it. But look at that, we cooked it. And what's really cool too is that Magnaflow was pretty excited when I gave them that news. They're like, sweet, that's awesome, thank you for finding that out. And they immediately like wrote this big article and posted it on their website about product development on the exhaust and stuff, which is really cool that they stand by their product and they're that open about it. We are going home. I wish we were taking the Mark V home so we could just enjoy that a little bit, but I can't complain we're taking the C8 home because tomorrow morning we have an early start with Sheepy to finally get back to our twin turbo madness. And boys, I almost just broke a promise to you guys and to myself. I said whenever it's not raining, the roof ain't on the car, and I stand by that. That's so much better. All right, baby, let's go. All right, tonight's menu, we got ground beef, we got some boiling water, and we got some nudes. Social distancing means no going out to eat for dinner. Home cooked meals, and some Bertolli sauce. Yeah, buddy.